How are you doing today? This is my son, Cooper.
This is my dad, CJ the CPA.
We want to talk to you about allowance. Cooper, what's allowance to you?
Allowance to me is amount of money that your parents or your guardian give you, whether it's every week, every 2 weeks, every month, or whatever. But that money is given to you to, or at least in my opinion, to spend on food, or if you're going out with friends, that's the money you're able to spend. Or if your parents aren't there to pay for you, then that's the money you're able to use.
Yeah, and I think when we would give you allowance when you were younger, 5th through 8th grade is kind of what we're directing this video series towards, is things that we aren't paying for that we wanted you to decide what you wanted to spend your money on. So I think with us, we told you, well, we're spending money already on lights and electricity and food in the refrigerator and your basic clothing, and probably paying for things related to sports. Mm-hmm. But then if you were going out with friends, well, here's $10 maybe for that event, your allowance for that event. But then in terms of a routine allowance, it was really for you to decide what you wanted to spend that money on, because we were covering the basics. Did that seem like what we were doing?
Definitely. It was kind of, it's more for, like he said, the things that they aren't already buying for me, your parents aren't already buying for you, and even if I saw a pair of shoes and I already had a pair, it was, well, hey, I'm going to save up my allowance that they've given me over a period of time so I can buy these shoes.
Yeah, and that's the one key, is that when you get allowance, whether it's a few dollars a week, $10 a week, if there's things that you want, but you really just buy them once, like a pair of shoes, that'd be something to set aside some of your allowance, obviously. There might be things that you spend just as you're out doing things and when you're having fun. And there might be other things that, you want to spend it on every month. There might be a game or some kind of membership related to your video games or something on social media that your allowance could be used for. And so typically when we hear the word allowance, the allowance is things that you get to spend money on that typically is your decision. But the thing to keep in mind is all the other things that your folks, your parents, your guardians, grandparents are already paying for. So you want to keep that in mind. Anything to add on the allowance?
I think we've covered it all.
I think we've covered it. All right. So you should know about the allowances. All right. Hey, thanks for tuning in. We've got 9 more in our series for those that are in 5th to 8th grade. So check out the rest of the series, and then don't you ever forget, you've never met a son and father quite like us.